All right, let's look at this ad from C2 Aesthetics in Cedar Park, Texas. It's for their Sculptra facial, which combines injectable Sculptra with microneedling. Great treatment, great tech, but the way it's marketed, it's too clinical, too flat, too forgettable. So let's start with the beginning, right? It says revive your glow with Sculptra at C2 Aesthetics. Okay, but what kind of glow? What does revive really mean? And why should I care? Right, then it dives into, experience the power of collagen, stimulation with our signature Sculptra facial. That's not a scroll stopper, it's a seminar. Your ideal client isn't Googling collagen stimulation. They're scrolling, half distracted, looking for something that feels right. Then there's a list of results, right? Smooth lines, restore youthful volume, enjoy results that last up to 2 years. Cool, but it's generic and sounds like every other injectables ad. Then we get this: book your consultation today and reveal visibly firmer, younger looking skin. All right, that's the call to action, but again, it's vague, soft, and doesn't move the viewer. Where's the urgency? Where's the spark? This ad is playing it too safe when your treatment is actually bold and powerful. So let's rewrite it to match it. So we're going to use our $97 ad rep playbook to rebuild the Sculptra facial ad line by line and explain every marketing move as we go. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this ad here and put it in my document just so I have it as a reference point. All right, and here it is. And I'm only working on the copy and the headline for this ad, okay? All right, so copy. So we're gonna open with emotion and local. So we're gonna say, hey, Cedar Park, feeling like your glow's been on pause. This grabs attention by calling them out and framing a familiar feeling. Our signature Sculptra facial turns tired into radiant from the inside out. Right, this skips jargon and gives us a full-on before and after vibe without actually using before and after language. Loved by clients who want firmer skin, natural volume, and compliments that don't stop. Right now we're name dropping benefits with social energy baked in. It's the you look amazing, but no one knows why kind of glow. Right, this line feels like the transformation without sounding clinical or pushy. We combine Sculptra plus micro needling in one lux, no downtime session. This elevates the experience without overwhelming the reader with technicals. Only 7 appointments left this month, and we fill up fast. Scarcity is a must, and this says it without screaming. You'll feel the glow after one session. You'll see it build over time. This line creates a moment they can imagine, right? Immediate plus future transformation. And then we'll say perfect for new clients who want real results, not filters. We're filtering the audience in a subtle and empowering way, and then we're going to add in a frictionless native call to action. So we're going to have them comment, glow up, and we'll DM you the booking link. No links, no calls, just a native low friction action that works on social. Then we'll end with spots are limited. And this offer just for you if you're seeing this. All right, this feels personal. It makes them, feel lucky to be here. Let's add in our headlines. So headline 1 will be Cedar Park Glow Facial. We'll have Sculptra plus micro needle equals wow. All right, so that's our ad copy and headline. It says, hey Cedar Park, feeling like your glow's been on pause? Our signature Sculptra facial turns tired into radiant from the inside out. Loved by clients who want firmer skin, natural volume, and compliments that don't stop. It's the you look amazing but no one knows why kind of glow. We combine Sculptra plus microneedling in one luxe, no downtime session. Only 7 appointments left this month and we fill up fast. You'll feel the glow after one session. You'll see it build over time. Perfect for new clients who want real results, not filters. Comment glow up and we'll DM you the booking link. Spots are limited. And this offer is just for you if you're seeing this. The headlines are Cedar Park Glow Facial and Sculptra plus microneedle equals wow. All right, so we flipped the ad from explanation mode to transformation mode. Instead of describing the service, we showed how it feels to get it. We loaded it with sensory language, exclusivity, and a real call to action that makes it easy to act. Now it speaks directly to the person scrolling and makes them feel like booking it is a no-brainer. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.